Hey guys, it's your boy Healthy G here. Showing your pet some love and appreciation is a good thing. Today, I'm gonna cook my pet a special meal. Join me. We have the rice almost finished here, and now I'm going to lay out some lovely fish here, and I'm going to see if I could roast this fish for him. Treat your pets nice. So I think the rice is about finished now. By now I can take off the pot and let the fish finish. Nice. Falling off the bone tender. So it's about ready at this time. So what I'm gonna do, allow it to cool and then we will plate it. Yes guys, the plating is finished and I think he is hungry. Max, sit, 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 sit. Go ahead. LTG. How does it taste? Yeah. Tell the other dogs to rate me in the comment.